Always pleased to meet new friends. Blow the horn! Hollyberry Cookie has arrived.
Warmth, life, and the piercing cold.
For our friendship. If you fall, you get up again.
Hello Smushies! Sorry for the very late voice review, but as promised, I have reached over 535 subs and here's my voice. Ta-da! Sorry for the bad mic quality. There's like background noises when I'm recording this, so sorry about that. And I just want to thank you guys so much for the views and subs. I did not expect myself to get like, you know, over 500 subs, so I'm just really thankful. Thank you. And now that you heard my voice, I'll probably do more videos that include my voice, like, you know, singing, voice acting or something like that. But like, you know, I'm not really confident because I don't think my voice sounds that good, to be honest. Alright, okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!